Hi everyone, my name is Doris Onoha and I will be presenting my study on the MMM mobile application and its effect on obese Hispanic adolescents. The problem. As we all know that childhood obesity is a global health epidemic that if not managed could lead to development of chronic health related problems such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, asthma, sleep apnea, and some behavioral issues as well. It also could cause psychological effects, and trends in society indicate that obese children are more likely to be the victims of bullying than children who are not obese. When children are victims of bullying, obese or not, there are many mental and psychological effects that they are forced to endure. They are more likely to grow into an obese adult, and also it has some economical effect as well. What are the issues we are trying to measure and change here? Those are improved weight control, improvement in all other health-related problems, such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, asthma, sleep apnea, and behavioral problems, improve in body mass index, reduce cholesterol level, and decrease in hospitalization due to obesity-related ailments. Statistics have shown that between the years 1999 to 2005, that there was a doubling in hospitalization with diagnosis of obesity. Also, there's an increase in healthcare costs from 125.9 million to 237.6 million between 2001 and 2005. It also shows that Latino children aged 2 to 19, that 22.4% are obese compared to 14% of white children. And 38.9% Latino children are overweight compared to 28.5% white children. It also shows that children of low socioeconomic groups are obese compared to high socioeconomic groups. Children with elevated body mass index has annual healthy child visit of $220 greater than children with normal body mass index. Treatment cost ranges from $12,000 to $19,000 for normal weight children compared to $16,000 to $39,000 for overweight and obese children. Overweight children are linked to school absenteeism, poor school performance, and higher frequency of risk-taking behaviors. The groups that are affected are the patients, family members, and taxpayers. Who did I interview and why? I interviewed 3 people. They are the pediatric medical doctor, a nurse practitioner, and a patient. I chose the pediatric medical doctor because he possesses the knowledge to assess the effectiveness of the app in adolescents. He possesses expertise and knowledge of both patients and parents to facilitate compliance with using the app. He focuses on the medical model. The nurse practitioner focuses on patients holistically to help them integrate the app correctly into their daily lives. Provides education to parents of the targeted population to better comply with the plan provided with the app. Patients in this group also are our target for the intervention and needs to be able to use the app properly. be able to provide feedback needed to assess the effectiveness of the app. And here are their contributions. The nurse practitioner felt that this app is a cost-effective way to provide optimal compliance with diet, exercise, and behavioral management. The patient was very familiar with the use of apps that provide information on a variety of health-related subjects. The doctor, though less familiar with use of innovative technologies, but was very optimistic about the proposed app. They both felt that using the app feels less confrontational and more comfortable than talking to doctors or their parents about their health. So how do we plan to solve the problem of childhood obesity? I propose to use the MMM app to tackle the problem of childhood obesity. Now, what is MMM app? Yes, I've been saying it. It is called My MealMate app and is a smartphone app designed to facilitate weight management using a goal-setting information to generate a specific daily energy target. This app is free. The only thing here is that the users must have an Android smartphone. It works with Android smartphone. It works with Apple phones. And how does it work? It records daily food diary and physical activity. It allows users to self-monitor their progress, store their favorite meal combination, take pictures of foods consumed. It also displays the progress the users makes and had a web interface to upload stored data from the user's phone. How to use the app. The app follows a multi-component lifestyle approach that consists of goal setting, self-monitoring of behavior, progress, and stimuli control for the treatment of overweight and obesity. User sets the goal for weight loss, records their diet, physical activity, and weight over time. User also receive weekly prompts to self-monitor their progress in form of text messages and graphs. Why we use the mobile application? And based on the studies conducted, shows that people who use this app has a decrease in body mass index, shows more adherence and / compliance, shows significant weight loss, shows self-monitor body change, and follows a multi-component lifestyle approach, is very cost-effective compared to traditional face-to-face approach, duration and frequency. Another study shows that people who use this app for longer period, between 3 to 6 months, had a significant weight loss and also a significant decrease in their body mass index compared to people who used it for shorter period. Now, yes, we all have these results and we all have this, going on, but there's also some possible concerns that we have to, dabble into, look into, and see what, and those concerns are ethical concerns of having the individual put their private information on a public interface. However, there is in-app security practices are being adopted to prevent this as the use of mobile apps develop. fear of personal information being hacked, lack of computer literacy will hinder people from using the app. Conclusion. The use of My MeMed app is an effective and efficient method of addressing childhood obesity. Children and adolescents are increasingly using smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices for learning and entertainment. The majority of teens today go online to find information, talk to friends via a social media sites, and play internet games, many times on their mobile phones. The use of these new technologies allow patients play a more active role in their healthcare delivery. Such technologies are referred to as patient-centered applications and are defined as systems that enable a partnership among practitioners, patients, and their families. The use of MMM app can reduce the traveling distance to the doctor's office and allow a more impactful experience through technology. Teens also prefer online intervention as compared to face-to-face intervention because there is less pressure involved. My MeMed app is an evidence-based mobile app designed to facilitate weight loss and has been investigated in a pilot randomized trial. Thank you. Any question?